you will use less sanding discs during your project and get better end results. Our emerald film abrasives outlast paper abrasives 10 to 1. Welcome back to Express.com, and today we are talking about our WE preferred emerald film sanding discs. Our emerald film backing is made of a uniformly thick plastic film that provides both flexibility and durability. The plastic film is tear resistant and at the same time soft enough to mold to precision shapes, making this the perfect sanding disc for flat and curved surfaces. These film abrasives have a non-clogging design, and since they are made free of paper, they are waterproof and can be used for wet sanding applications. Now for the nitty-gritty. These sanding discs are available in either 5-inch or 6-inch diameters for all of your orbital sanding needs. And they are available with either no-hole, 5-hole, 6-hole, 9-hole for those Festool sanders, and of course even multi-hole design that will work with pretty much any sander on the market. Now these emerald discs are available in PSA, which is the peel and stick as you see here. It's got the stickiness on the back, and if your pad is nice and flat and smooth and no kind of Velcro, then that will be the choice for you. You simply stick it on, and of course we do carry the hook and loop option, which is made for those Velcro style pads. Simply stick it on, ready to go, and take it off, switch it out, up to you. And not to forget to mention, Woodworker Express also carries all of your backup pads, backing pads, whatever you want to call them. Basically replacement pads for your sanders, and we have those as well in hook and loop and PSA, so you can convert your sander, switch it out. Maybe the Velcro's not quite strong enough anymore, get a new backing pad. Much less expensive than buying a new sander. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.